Neanderthal fireplace traces discovered in Suffolk, UK. Archaeologists have uncovered a rare glimpse into the daily lives of Neanderthals through the discovery of ancient fireplace traces at the Barnham Palaeolithic site in Suffolk. Published in Nature, the study offers one of the most detailed portraits yet of how early humans used fire in northern Europe around 200,000 years ago, revealing a level of adaptation and social behavior that continues to reshape our understanding of human evolution. Discovery and excavation. The Barnham site, long known for its Paleolithic artifacts, yielded evidence of multiple fireplaces, or hearths, embedded within sediment layers dating to a warm interglacial period. Excavations revealed subtle burnt patches, clusters of heated flint, and soil discoloration, features so delicate they are easily lost to time. Microscopic analysis of the sediment showed charred wood fragments and fine ash particles, confirming these were the remnants of controlled fires. Lead researchers employed a combination of micromorphology, soil chemistry, and magnetic susceptibility studies to detect and verify the hearths. These methods allowed them to reconstruct the exact locations of fire use areas, distinguishing between single-use hearths and zones of repeated activity. By mapping the distribution of burnt materials, scientists were able to infer where Neanderthals gathered, cooked, and possibly crafted tools. Reconstructing Neanderthal life. The fireplaces indicate that Neanderthals were not only capable of creating and sustaining fire but also used it strategically. Fire provided warmth in Britain's cooler climate, allowed them to cook meat and plant foods, and likely deterred predators during the night. Beyond survival, fire may have played a social role, serving as a gathering point for small groups, facilitating communication, teaching, and shared labor. The evidence suggests repeated occupation of the Barnham site. Hearths appear in stratified layers, meaning Neanderthals returned to this location across different seasons or years. Such behavior indicates an intimate understanding of the landscape, resource availability, and seasonal patterns in prehistoric Britain. Scientific significance. The discovery is particularly important because direct evidence of fire use in northern Europe's early human sites is rare. Fires leave fragile traces that are easily erased by erosion, animal activity, or environmental changes over hundreds of millennia. The Barnham findings provide the first detailed insight into how Neanderthal groups organized their living spaces and interacted with fire within a northern ecosystem. These fireplaces also contribute to a broader debate about Neanderthal cognitive abilities. Mastery of fire is considered a cornerstone of human evolution, linked to planning, learning, and knowledge transmission. The Barnham site thus strengthens claims that Neanderthals were highly adaptive, capable of complex social and environmental problem solving. Context in British prehistory. Barnham is part of a wider network of Lower Paleolithic and Middle Paleolithic sites in Britain, including Swanscombe and Happisburgh, which together document the intermittent presence of Neanderthals and their ancestors. Britain was not continuously inhabited at the time due to fluctuating ice ages and sea levels. Instead, these groups arrived during warmer periods and retreated when the climate deteriorated. This specific discovery enriches our understanding of Neanderthal resilience in the northernmost parts of their range. The evidence that they not only survived but thrived in such environments adds to the growing recognition that they were not inferior to early modern humans in terms of intelligence or adaptability. Looking ahead. Future research at Barnham and similar sites will focus on examining microscopic residues within the hearths to identify plant matter, food remains, and potential bone fragments. This could reveal more about Neanderthal diets and hunting practices. Meanwhile, experimental archaeology, replicating ancient fire-making techniques, may help understand how these groups managed fuel, maintained fires, and used them for tasks like tool production. Ultimately, the Barnham fireplaces illuminate not just the physical presence of fire but the social spark it provided. Around these small hearths, early humans found warmth, safety, and connection, ensuring their survival on the edge of the Ice Age world. Conclusion. The Barnham discovery represents a milestone in Paleolithic research, demonstrating that even the smallest traces, charred soil and burnt flints, can open a window into the lives of our ancient relatives. Neanderthals in Suffolk 200,000 years ago were not passive wanderers but skilled, adaptive, and social beings, leaving behind the quiet legacy of firelight in the dark of prehistory. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.